That's a little bit freer in your seat. And freeze, halt. Good. Walk on. And halt. Oh, good. Okay, so it's not balanced, but it's sharper. So now ride more into the halt. So you're being free and you're going to ride him really forward. You're going to keep him up off his forehand and halt. Okay, good. Walk on. Little bit of inside bend next time. Riding forward. Freeze. Okay, walk on.